okay? And you and May can be shot, okay?
Wait, what?
So, you... I actually forgot the name of the dress.
Filipiniana.
Filipiniana.
Ah.
So, do you like our Filipiniana?
Itong galing yung ginawa niya.
Actually, Janice look like Sophia, you know?
And Jana look like Belle.
So, you in the
I'm
forest?
in the forest, and
So-
you're in the palace.
Ah?
Palace.
Wait, not Paris.
I think this is more like a vampire. Or maybe you guys are seeing any vampires this evening?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
No, I mean I'm the our theme.
Oh, okay, okay.
Our theme.
I'm not vampire,นะคะ.
In single, can you recommend someone from Thailand?
Oh! Ah!
From Thailand.
So, I'm an agent, right? Right? So, we're gonna have a percent about it, okay?
Oh,
What you finding?
maybe you
Kind
look
of-
around.
Jenny got a lot of friends, you know? She can get you one. น่ารักไหมคะ
I taught her. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
น่ารักไหมคะ
Oh,
Where does smoke
wow.
come from? Oh.
Ginjay, I see that a lot of fans here have some
Oh.
signs. So let's see the signs. Everyone has signs. We want to read your signs. I know I can help you read it just in case
so
it's a little bit
cute.
far. Did anyone read? Did anyone right here? Right here. What does it say? Let me go here to the side. Right here, Ginjay. Here on your left-hand side. It says
Okay,
here.
Let's start with the left hand side.
Are you still sisters? Yes, no.
Ah!
What do you think?
You read the signature one, na? Got many signs, naka, but you read that sign.
We're gonna move to the next sign. Let's go next sign. Let's go next sign. Let's go next sign. I like that. I like. Let's go next sign. Next sign. Next sign. Any other signs? Any other signs? All right, there. It says here, I love you, Ginny. Hello, hi, Ginny. Ginny. Is there any sign that says I love you, Jaina? Right there. There's one for you, Jaina, as well. Up there.
I love you too. We love you too.
No, in the front. 5 seconds, eyes to eyes, contact with me. I can't see your eyes from here.
You're hiding behind
Take your phone down. Take your phone down. Now. Ah.
What is... Huh?
Someone said, pwede daw kita ibulsa. Can I put you in my pocket?
Aww.
You got a big bag?
Jaina can. Oh.
Again, please? Again, please?
What does the sign say? Ano nasulat dyan? What does it say?
Oh, they say blow a kiss.
Can I have... Gina, there's a sign there. I can't really read. Can I have your... Say it out loud. Can I have your... Gina, they're asking, can they have Jenny? No pressure, no pressure.
If you think you can take...
If you think you can take her down.
Huh?
Ang ganda ng ginawa nito eh.
What would you take from me?
Ate, taas mo yan, taas mo yan.
Take you
Taas
home.
mo yan, dali. Tuturuan namin.
Oh,
If you have a big enough bag, you
I
said right here.
heard that I think she said, can she take my heart?
Pwede yan, Ate.
What does this one say right here? Sige, say it out loud. Yeah.
Tutulungan namin tayo. Taas mo yan, ha? Gusto niyo sabay-sabay tayo sumigaw?
Di ko mabasa. I can't. Jaina, shoot an arrow. Jaina, can you shoot an arrow?
Taas mo yan, taas mo yan.
Everyone show what a bow and arrow is. Bow and arrow, yes. Yes.
And release.
Nice.
I love you, Tuna.
But since Jaina shot an arrow, is there any sign that's asking for Ginny to do something? Any sign? Any sign? What do I do? Dimple.
Can we not be Kun Man?
Una.
So what do you want to be?
Una.
Sister!
Okay.
Alright.
Ginny Jaina, it says right there, you're the queen of face emojis. Is that right? Face emojis?
Face emoji.
Yeah, is that true? You're the queen of emojis? Yeah, yes. I think it says Jaina, yes. Jaina, yeah.
Probably.
Probably.
Because I saw lots of what you call that?
The meme.
The GIF, the sticker GIF.
The GIFs, the memes.
Yes,
Ah,
this 3 seconds video. My face was like many.
We still have about 5 more minutes left for the sound check. Anyone else want to say anything about the sign? Yeah. Hire me. Ginny Jaina, that's your...
Para sa mga lang.
Oh my God. Please don't yell. Please don't yell.
Ang tingtingin pa dito.
We got some fans up there too.
Yeah, we have some guys up top.
What's the oh my God.
Bakit mo nalagyan tayo?
There's a sign up there. I can't read. Can you guys read it for us? It's kind of far. Do you love the demon now? Do you love the demon now?
Huh?
First of all, sino ba yung demon? Who's the demon? So I guess the question is directed to Ginny,
ที่
right?
ทำไมยั่วเราทุกวันไงที่มัน
Oh.
เป็นหน้าเราอีอยู่อย่างเงี้ย Maybe.
Let me see. There's an electronic sign right here. Hold on, it's taking some time to pass. What does it say? Let's start from the start. It says, Ginny can you
It's Jaina's
cheese.
Bye kita.
And then we have another one here, right here. Let me see with the green sign here. The green cell phone. It says Ginjay. Pet Malu. Pet Malu. Do you know what Pet Malu is? Well, right here. Pet Malu.
Pet Malu.
Oh wait. To all the alkies here, what is Pet Malu? Explain it.
Pet Malu?
Yes, Pet Malu.
Pet
Pet
Malu?
Malu. What is that? เก่งมาก
Oh. Pet Malu is เก่งมาก Alright.
Pet Malu. We still have 3 minutes. Let me see here. I see another sign.
I love the picture. Yes.
You love the pictures right here?
Another picture, thank you.
Thank you!
Ginny says, marry me, Ginny. Marry me, Ginny, right here. Okay. I see the Ginjay I see right here. It says, smile if you're happy, right? Smile if you're happy. Wink.
Actually, I can't see from here.
Blink if you're okay. Ginjay says, smile if you're happy, or blink if you're in love. That's what the sign says.
I mean, can you go a minute without blinking?
Huh?
if you're happy, blink if you're in love.
Two things in one time. Why not?
Ginjay, we can do a couple more. We have about...
Jay, look at that.
Well, anyway, it's me. Yes. Who calls my name? 5 years old, Ginny, or 5 Ginny. 5 Ginny.
Alright, so Alki, we have about a minute left here. So Ginny, Jaina, before we let you go, what can you share about tonight? What do you want to share about this evening? What can your Alkies expect tonight from your very first fan meet here in Manila?
Today we got many looks.
Yes.
We got many clothes that we bring from
And we got many
about
shows.
3 luggage. Everything probably 40 kilos. And this is just the first
The first look
first look.
of us.
Yes. And we still got about 3 more.
Yeah.
So a lot of great outfits. A lot of great outfits tonight.
And I'm really happy to be here today. In the morning, I got lost on the street somewhere, and we a bit late. I'm sorry for it.
Sorry for that.
But everything come out good.
Yeah, we're happy that you made it here, and
Yes.
I'm sure. Are you ready for tonight, Alkies? So let's get. I know you gotta have. Yeah, you have 40.
But anyways.
40 kilograms of luggage. I know you have to go unpack a little bit more for tonight. So let's give Ginjay a big round of applause, Alkies.
Hello, Alfie. Love you.
We'll see you later. Everyone say see you later.
Wait. Christmas tree.
Ay!
Merry Christmas.
No. But anyway, I'm happy to see you again.
I'm happy to see you as well.
Because he was the MC from the last time
Yes.
also.
Do you remember?
That time we at Alayamo, right?
Yes, yes.
Ayala Mall.
Right? I said it correctly.
You think that's right? That's right.
Right? Alayamo. Why you guys are laughing? Okay, I need to change my clothes.
Thank you. Bye-bye. See you.
See you.
See you.
We'll see you later here at SMR. We'll see you. See you later, Alkies. Enjoy your time. We'll be back with you in just a moment.